for you, drop by drop, upon the quiet mountaintop. I was diagnosed in 2021. Very, very recent. So parang what happened was I came from a really bad, parang the relationship wasn't a good space for me.
Pag gumigising ka, anong naiisip mo?
Nothing, like really not so good thoughts. I wish that I could just let go of that weight and not carry it because that would be wonderful. But I don't have a choice. It's attached to my body. It's attached to my brain. There's no way for me to just drop that weight and be normal. Everything around me is like closing in on me. Parang claustrophobic. I can't breathe. I feel like I'm gonna pass out. And I don't know what triggered it. Parang
Anxiety attack ito.
anxiety attack. Feeling ko, mamamatay ako.
Magandang araw po mga kapuso. May aaminin ako sa inyo. Baka narinig nyo na rin po ito. Ako po ay may bipolar disorder. Isa po itong mental health condition na sa loob ng matagal na panahon ay itinago ko po dahil natatakot akong husgahan ako ng mga tao. Pero masaya ako na maraming mga tao na nag-come out at nagsabi ng kanilang kondisyon at tulad ng marami, nabigyan din ako ng lakas ng loob. Ang makakausap ko po ngayon ay isa sa mga taong naglakas loob na sabihin ang kanilang mental health condition.
I'm bipolar. I'm diagnosed with anxiety and depression, and I'm being treated for PTSD.
Sa totoo lang, nung nalaman kong meron siyang mental health condition, nagulat din ako. Kasi she's so successful, she's so bubbly and just full of life. At nagulat din ako. Ang Queen of ASMR, kasama ko ngayon sa iListen, ang favorite ng mga podcast kasi ang ganda ng boses, Miss Inka Magnaye.
Thank you, Miss Cara.
Grabe, parang ang technology ng podcast, ang platform ng podcast ay ginawa para sa mga katulad mo. Na ang ganda-ganda ng boses na parang kahit na wala kang sinasabi, parang kahit walang katuturan siguro sasabihin mo, papakinggan namin eh.
Parang one time nga gusto ko magbasa ng telephone book. Let's see kung gagana. Care of course to make my eyes pop a little bit more. Triumphant o'er the crested palls of her grand family funerals. What else was I going to say?
Nabasa ko na yung ASMR, ito pala ang naging daan sa'yo para makatulong to battle your mental health condition.
Yes.
Paano?
Especially nung hindi pa ako medicated. Kasi before, hindi ko alam kung paano i-treat yung mental health ko or if I even have like a diagnosis kasi I didn't go to a doctor yet or whatever. All I know is, paminsan-minsan, feeling ko, mamamatay ako. Parang everything around me is like closing in on me. Parang claustrophobic. I can't breathe. I feel like I'm gonna pass out. And I don't know what triggered it. Parang
Anxiety attack ito.
anxiety attack.
Oo.
And
Na hindi mo alam na natatakot ka, pero natatakot ka lang.
yeah, there's nothing going on, but my brain is telling me, you're in danger, and I don't know what to do. So, sa ASMR ako, basically I found comfort in that. Kasi
Yung ASMR ay, ano nga ba yung ibig sabihin?
autonomous sensory meridian response.
Ito yung parang,
Yeah.
mga ganyan.
Yes,
Yung mga
yes.
sound na nakaka-relax.
Yes. And even like the crinkling of the nails, very relaxing. So for example, if I'm talking to you like this, Miss Cara, I know that you've had a long day. Yung the relaxing effect of that. But it sounds like parang rain dropping on your roof.
Correct.
Diba? Parang ganon. It gives like that sort of comfort.
So, nakinig ka ng
Yes.
maraming ganon. Tapos,
Yes. Tapos nun, I realized na when I listen to that, kumakalma ako. It gives me something to focus on. So parang hindi na ako nagfo-focus sa takot. Kundi pinapakinggan ko na lang yung mga boses nila, very relaxing. And then, parang nalalabanan ko yung anxiety attack.
Oo.
So that was why I started actively listening to ASMR before pa, parang 2010s pa.
Pero hindi ka diagnosed noon.
No.
Kailan mo nalaman that you have this mental health condition?
I was diagnosed in 2021.
Bago lang.
Very, very recent.
Paano
Yeah.
humantong doon? Bakit naisipan mong magpa-diagnose?
I came from a really bad, parang the relationship wasn't a good space for me. Yung relationship, it's a very big trigger for so many people. Parang hindi natin na-realize that we think na ang babaw lang, relationship lang naman yan. Pero
Oo.
when you think about it, yung partner mo, they are one of the biggest foundations of your life. Kung hindi okay yung relationship mo, it bleeds into every part sa work mo, sa friends mo, hindi ka makakoncentrate, hindi ka makafocus.
Kasi when you are in a relationship, full trust yun eh.
Yes.
Parang binibigay mo yung sarili mo eh.
Yes.
Doon
yes.
sa partner mo.
Your whole self.
Your whole self.
Yeah.
Everything, di ba? Halos lahat ng bahagi ng buhay mo, binibigay mo sa kanya ng full trust.
Yes.
So kapag na-break yung trust na yon,
It's going to break almost everything that it touches. So parang after a bad ending, parang I went into a really deep depression. Nag-trigger siya. Parang I was in bed lang for months. Hindi talaga ako lumalabas ng kwarto ko. Umiiyak or not even yung parang
tulala.
nothing. Like,
Pag gumigising ka, anong naiisip mo?
nothing. Like really not so good thoughts at all.
Kasi ako
Yeah.
kapag, sa mga hindi po nakakaalam kung ano yung bipolar disorder, ito po yung condition kung saan meron kang episodes na masaya ka, tapos meron kang episodes bigla babagsak ka na parang depressed
Yes.
ka.
Bagsak talaga.
Bagsak talaga na
Yeah.
parang walang buhay.
Walang buhay,
Walang
hindi ka
buhay.
makagalaw, di ka makakain, di ka makainom ng tubig, di ka
Correct.
makaligo,
Correct.
nothing.
Correct. So yun yung tinatawag na manic depressive.
Yes.
Ako, kapag nandun ako sa depressive mode, pag gumigising ako sa umaga, pakiramdam ko umuulan, gloomy lahat.
Yes. Parang may filter yung
Parang
vision
may filter,
mo.
parang
Yes.
gray lahat ng kulay.
Everything is gray.
Tapos alam mo namang may kulay yung bahay mo,
Yeah.
pero
Wala.
gloomy siya.
Yeah.
Parang umulan ba? Ganun yung yung
Yes.
pakiramdam ko. And I know na, oh my gosh,
Yeah.
nasa depressive state na ako. Kasi, tapos parang ayaw mo nang bumangon.
Ayaw talaga.
Kasi gloomy ang lahat.
And then your facial muscles, Miss Cara, you feel it also. Para
Yeah.
siyang bagsak, no?
Oo.
Yeah, I
So,
feel that
nangyari sa'yo yun.
Yes, for a very long time, nothing at all. Kung like to the point where natakot yung mom ko na pinapacheck niya ako every almost hour if I'm okay. And then after a while, parang nawala din yun. And biglang, you know what? Sabi ko, okay na ako. Parang excited na ako. Gusto ko na lumabas.
Bigla na lang.
Magja-gym ako. Ganon, yeah. And I was going to the gym every day, 7 days a week at 7 a.m. Lalakad ako doon. Minsan nga sumasayaw ako papuntang gym. Because I have so much energy.
Oo.
Or lalakad lang sa labas, ganyan.
Tapos biglang babagsak ulit.
And then biglang babagsak ulit. Or aawayin ko yung mom ko. Or mag-breakdown ako. Iiyak ako. Nasa sahig ako kasi sobrang wala. The world is crashing around me and nothing is good. Ganon.
So parang ganun siya, up and down,
Up and down,
up and down, up and down.
Yeah, to the point
Tapos?
na parang di na alam ng mom ko kung masaya ba si Inka today or is she aawayin ba niya ako today? And then my sister told me one time, because I was messaging them, super hyper ko na pala, parang nagsasend ako ng video messages na parang inaano parang hi, gumaganon ako sa kanila. And then to me, feeling ko lang na, my God, what a great day it is today. This is so fun. I want to do this. I want to do that. And then my sister messaged me. Sabi niya, are you okay? Are you having an episode? So pumitik ako. Sabi ko, what do you mean episode? Bawal ba ako masaya? Parang, di ba pwedeng happy lang ako today? Kasi parang, I really like dug it into her. Kasi why are you ruining my happiness? And then, wala, inaway ko na sila, ganyan. And then after that, breakdown na naman. And then my mom was like, after a while, she was like, I guess napagod na rin siya. Sabi niya, do you want to see a doctor? So she asked her friend for a recommendation. And then I started seeing my doctor.
At anong sinabi ng doktor?
Anxiety and depression, which is I think one of the yung
Yes,
very common, very
yes,
basic
yes.
ano. So I think they start with
With
there. And then so she was treating me for that, but she was like, I want to see you every week. So once a week kami nakikita to touch in, ganyan. And then after a while, she was like, you have bipolar disorder too. I was like, oh my God, I'm one of them. Parang gano'n,
Oo.
I have bipolar. What does that
Baliw
mean?
ako.
Oo, parang I was scared at first.
Oo.
But then also at the same time, sobrang nakahinga ako. I was so relieved because there's finally a name to what was happening to me.
Pag-usapan natin yung part na sabi mo, you were afraid. Bakit ka natakot?
Grabe yung stigma around mental health.
Yeah.
And nag-aalala ako na parang, what if people find out na I'm bipolar? Will it be embarrassing for my mom? Will it affect my work?
Baka wala nang kumuha sa'yo.
May bipolar siya, mahirap kausapin yan. Baka di natin
True.
alam, ganyan-ganyan.
True.
So I was like,
Sasabihin ko ba to?
yeah, like, do I talk about this? In the beginning, I didn't. Kasi I was also aware na parang I was in a very delicate place na very volatile pa yung mind ko. So I was thinking, sige, I'll keep it to myself muna hanggang maging mas stable ako when I know how to talk about it na. Then I can talk about it. Kasi I don't want to say something naman din na I don't know what to say.
Totoo yan. I remember nung pumupunta ako sa psychiatrist ko, nagkakap ako, mamask ako, nagtatago ako, nakaganito ako. Kasi ayokong makita ako ng mga tao na pumupunta ako sa isang psychiatric ward or psychiatric clinic.
It's
Mawalan
hard
ako
din.
ng trabaho or mabash ako sa social media. Sabihin na,
Ay,
yan,
baliw
baliw yan.
Oo.
Oo, yung ganon.
It's terrifying.
It's terrifying kasi yung stigma nandun pa rin.
Oo.
Palaging iniisip na kapag may mental health condition ka, baliw ka.
Yeah.
Oo.
And I think that's the reason why I wanted to talk about it also when I was ready. Kasi gusto kong parang ako yung may control ng narrative na yun. So kung malaman nila na baliw ako, at least ako yung nagsabi. Came from me. And at least yung naririnig nila is the truth. Kasi ako na yung nagsabi sa kanila, this is what I have, this is what I experience, it was like this for me. Kasi yung pagkabaliw, to an extent, I guess we can be, but we have control over it. I would say na parang, yeah, it's hard. Or hindi naman siya to the point na I should be embarrassed kasi it's not like nangyari to kasi sa mali na ginawa ko. It's just me. It's a condition in my head that I was born with that developed in me. It's still something that can be or needs to be treated.
At ang importante, yung aware ka sa sarili mo, how you're gonna live with it.
Yes.
Kasi ako, ngayon that I know what my condition is, I am able to live with it, and sa totoo lang, nare-reap ko yung fruits of it.
Really? In what way?
Halimbawa, kapag alam ko na malapit na akong maging manic stage, I'm more creative, I'm more bold, I'm more parang full of energy, di ako napapagod, and all those things. So, mas mabilis ako magsulat ng script,
Yes.
mas mabilis yung utak ko, mas
Yes.
masaya ako generally, mas
True.
naggagawa akong lumusong kung saan-saan.
Parang multitasking, sige,
Correct.
projects,
Kaya
let's
kong gawin
go.
yan. Oo.
Oo.
Kasi parang kang may superpower.
Actually, that's true. When I know that I'm like pa-hypomanic ako, that's when I go, okay, sige, say yes to this project, say yes to this project, say yes to this project, kasi kaya ko yan.
Oo.
And then, when I feel na pa-depressive na ako, that's when I
Doon
go,
muna ako sa
okay,
bahay.
it's time to rest.
Hindi mo na ako mag-accept ng anything.
Don't call me for the
Oo.
week. I'll just be sleeping. Okay, manonood muna ako ng anime. Magpo-focus muna ako sa
sarili ko.
Gi-yoga ako, ganyan.
Correct.
And actually, that's when I make a lot of my videos. Because I have videos na parang I talk to the viewer saying, I know life has been hard for you. I want you to know that I understand and stuff like that. And every time I make videos like that, when I'm filming, I'm actually talking to myself and I share it because I know for sure that I'm not the only one going through struggles at any point in
Correct.
time.
Correct.
So when I share these things, apart from me trying to like make myself feel better, parang self-soothing. I want my self-soothing to also help other people.
So I'm gonna put that around my nostrils and around my lips.
Kaya rin ba gumagawa ka na rin ng ASMR?
Yes. Yes, that's exactly why. Because it helped me so much before and I wanted to give back to the community. Iniisip ko parang kung nakatulong siya sa akin, I'm sure mas marami siyang matutulong din.
And speaking of giving back to the community, you are part of a group na
Yes.
mas pinapalaganap pa yung awareness to mental health.
So Mind Nation is an organization that aims to like educate people about mental health, makes mental health support accessible for people na baka they might not be able to afford mental health support. Kasi grabe, ang mahal ng mental health support. It's insane. So Mind Nation is an organization that came to me and asked if I can help them kind of spread the word. And I said, yes, absolutely. Because when I partner up with Mind Nation, if they have mga promos, for example, let's say, yung isang session with a psychiatrist or psychologist,
Mas
aabot
mura
siyang
nila siya.
4K.
Oo.
Oo, ito 50 off, ganon.
Yan, oo.
Sometimes, namimigay din kami ng promos for free sessions or a bundle of 3 or a bundle of 5. So they have like psychologists, life coaches,
Nice.
financial coaches.
At saka yung basically just knowing that there are people who are undergoing the same thing
Yes.
na pinagdadaanan mo
Yes.
is already a big thing.
It's a big thing. When you posted about having bipolar 2,
Mm-mm.
automatically I was like, parang like an electric current shot through my
Oo.
heart. And I was like, oh my God, Miss Cara.
Oo.
So I messaged, I
Oo,
replied to
yeah,
your
yeah.
post, right? I
Yeah,
said,
yeah.
I have it too. Because when you posted na parang, it was, you didn't want to work out that day. And
Yes,
that's when
yes,
you
yes.
knew na kailangan ko talaga mag-workout.
mag-workout. Oo.
I feel the exact same,
thing.
way.
Oo, oo, oo,
Exactly the same. And I was like, man, I feel so seen. Because sometimes, parang feeling natin, grabe, napaka-loser ko naman na hindi ko kayang gawin to. Na sobrang, maybe people are right na ginagawa ko lang tong excuse, baka tamad lang ako. And then when I see someone like you, successful, respected in her work, in the industry, and an icon
Na may ganun
already.
din.
May ganun din. And I'm like, wow, the path is so open and available, even if I have bipolar
And
2
I
also.
felt the same way. Ganun din. Nung pag may nakikita akong mga tao na open and willing to share their experience, talaga ako, hindi ko na pala kailangan mag-cap. Hindi ko na kailangan magtago. Tatanggapin ako kasi marami na kami. Kasi marami pala kami.
Marami pala.
Oo.
Marami pala.
pala kami. Pero may stigma pa rin hanggang ngayon at marami pa rin mga misconceptions and myths on mental health conditions.
Yes.
Meron dito kung babasahin kasi ito yung mga common myths and misconceptions about mental health. Number
Okay.
1, hindi raw totoo ang pagkakaroon ng mental health. Nagdadrama lang raw ang tao.
I wish.
Pero
I
naranasan
wish.
mo ba to? May mga nagsabi sa'yo
Oh yeah.
na wala yan, nagdadrama ka lang.
Yes.
Emo-emo ka lang.
Yes. Sensitive ka lang. Mga
Sensitive
ganon.
ka
Na
lang.
parang, that's the point. That's why it's a disorder. Because it's an OA reaction. Hindi talaga dapat ganon.
Yun, laging sinasabi, OA ka lang.
Oo.
OA ka lang.
Eh, OA naman talaga eh. Medically, OA. You know what I mean?
Oo.
Parang, kaya nga disorder siya eh. Kaya nga kailangan siyang i-treat. Kasi hindi siya normal. Kasi over siya sa normal. I really, really wished I could put their mind in my mind. Na parang ma-feel mo lang. Kahit 1 minute lang. Every day, Miss Cara, parang meron akong binibit-bit na weight. For other people, if we tell them to run up and down the stairs, kaya nila. Pero yung sa atin, may dala-dala tayong parang 100 pounds extra. I wish that I could just let go of that weight and not carry it because that would be wonderful. But I don't have a choice. it's attached to my body. It's attached to my brain. There's no way for me to just drop that weight and be normal.
Kung may nakikinig sa atin ngayon na meron kayong kaibigan na sinabi nila depressed sila, makinig, pakinggan. Huwag sabihing nagdadrama,
Oo.
huwag sabihing OA.
Try to understand.
Try to understand. Or kung hindi mo man maintindihan, kailangan lang ng taong makikinig.
Yes.
Kahit na,
Mag-nod ka na lang. Okay na yon. Parang kahit di ka magsalita, okay lang yan. Kung di ka naniniwala, edi don't.
oo, pero makinig ka lang.
makinig ka na lang.
As in, malaking tulong na yon. Okay, next, sabi, mahina lang raw ang loob ng mga may mental health condition, kaya ganyan sila.
Malakas ang loob ng mga may mental health condition. Simply because kailangan nating lahat maging normal. It takes so much effort to be at a baseline level.
At saka may ibang mental health conditions na triggered din ng iba't ibang factors. Like, di ba, life experiences, poverty.
yeah.
Di ba?
Yes.
Problema, abuse.
Yes.
Di ba? Okay, number 3, pangmayaman lang daw ang sakit na ito.
I think that is dangerous thinking.
Yes.
Kasi it is not true.
Yeah.
Walang pinipili ang mental health condition.
Totoo.
There are mental health conditions nga, diba? Like you said, na they get triggered by poverty.
Correct.
Diba? You
Correct.
get depressed
Correct.
because you don't
Yes.
have enough money to feed your
Yes,
family or
yes,
whatever.
yes.
Or an accident happens and then you are left unable to pay for your bills. Mga ganun. Parang that does not happen to the rich only.
Correct.
It happens to anyone, walang pinipili, it's random, it happens. So to think na pangmayaman lang yung mental health condition limits the people who are not, yung mga hindi mga mayaman, na parang so ano, ibig sabihin, bawal sila mag-seek ng help, ng ganon.
At dangerous yun.
Very.
At actually, yan yung isa sa mga problema ngayon. Ako, may ginawa akong documentary. Ang title ay Bilanggo ng Isipan.
Ba't ka daw nila kinadena, Teng? Bakit daw?
Ganyan. Ganyan.
Tungkol sa isang lugar sa probinsya, sa Leyte, kung saan walang psychiatrist doon sa kanilang lugar, kaya kinukulong sa loob ng bahay yung mga taong may schizophrenia.
Oh my God.
Kasi hindi nila alam
What to do?
what
Yeah.
to do. Yun ang problema kapag ang mindset natin pang mayaman lang siya.
Oo.
'Di ba? Lalong nawawalan ng
Mental health support.
support.
Yes. Saka
Doon
yung
sa mga
access.
access at support doon sa mga lugar na pinaka nangangailangan.
Yeah. Oh my
Diba?
God, that's terrible.
Yeah, maraming gano'n na kapag patuloy tayo dun sa ganung mindset,
Hindi maaayos yun.
hindi maaayos. Masama raw ang gamot para sa mental health.
I completely disagree. Kung may sakit ka sa katawan or kunwari napilay ka, pupunta ka sa doktor para ipatingin yung paa mo or whatever. Ganon din dapat dito. Kasi
Correct.
organ pa rin to
Mm-mm.
Your brain is still part of your body.
Yeah.
Kaya pa rin niyang mag-breakdown, kaya pa rin niyang magkaroon ng disorders or imbalances. The same way, yung kidneys natin nagbe-breakdown. This is not impervious to sickness or disease. When we feel so depressed, our whole bodies get affected.
Yes.
We can't eat, we can't sleep, we can't get up. It's also very physical.
Yeah.
And that's where the meds come in.
Ikaw ay diagnosed bipolar 2 disorder.
Yes.
Okay, pero ikaw rin ay merong ADHD?
Yes, I was just diagnosed today.
Today? Ngayong araw talaga.
Today! I saw my psychiatrist earlier kasi I was telling her about parang I think I'm having trouble with this and that and that. I told her everything. Basically, how yung work process ko, how I am so forgetful with details. If it's not written down, I will completely forget it. If you give me 3 things to do, 1, 2, 3, I will do 3 and I will forget about the other 2 kasi you told me about 3. Parang ganon. So I need so much help around that.
So, hirap ka mag-focus.
Hirap na hirap.
Yung ADHD po ay Attention Deficit
Hyperactive
Activity Disorder.
Yeah.
So, you are hyper, tapos may attention deficit pa. Ibig sabihin, hindi ka makafocus.
Yes. Yeah. But
Okay.
I'm not super on the hyper side. I'm more inattentive ADHD.
Yung
So,
attention deficit.
yeah.
Ibig sabihin, hindi ka maka-focus.
Trouble focusing, trouble starting tasks.
So, anong ginagawa mo para maka-cope ka with your ADHD?
Oh my gosh, apparently, parang all this time, I thought this is how everyone lived.
Oo.
So I just found a way to kind of like set up parang systems.
Oo.
I need all the details of what's happening in my week pinned in a message that I will always see on my phone because if I don't see it there, it doesn't exist for the week.
Parang may post-it yung ano mo.
Yes,
Okay.
in every part. But also, for example, my side table, sobrang gulo niya, Miss Cara, kasi everything, I just put everything there.
Oo.
Kasi if I don't put it
Oo.
there, tas hindi ko makita, I also will forget about it. Parang wala akong object permanence.
Okay,
And
okay.
then, so, sobrang kalat lang talaga. And I thought na parang, my God, this is how everybody
So, sobrang
lives.
marami kang mga organizer, ganyan.
Yeah, but I never use it. So I'll buy I'll buy a planner. I'll use it for like the first few months. Tapos when I forget it na.
Please say hi. Everyone, hi, Miss Cara.
Hello, everyone. Kaya kailangan modulate kasi Inka.
Parang AI yung nagboboses. Ang ganda ng boses. Yung pala, Inka Thank you. Such a pleasure.
Napansin ko kasi pinapanood ko yung mga videos mo, kapag nagvo-voice over ka, napapansin ko, meron kang katabi, tapos sasabihin sa'yo, okay, ito lang ang babasahin natin itong paragraph lang na to. Tapos ikaw, babasahin mo ng babasahin that paragraph, tapos biglang iko-cue ka na gano'n, tapos magbabasa ka na, pagkatas mo magbasa, iko-cross out mo yon,
Yeah.
tapos, okay, next paragraph, ito lang ako.
And then
Tapos
I'll circle it, I'll
Isi-circle
highlight
mo,
it.
oo, tapos babasahin mo ng ulit-ulit, tapos,
Yeah.
parang sabi ko, parang robot.
And I'll
kailangan
put
mo-
my finger there
Correct,
para hindi
nakaganon
mawala.
ka. Oo, tsaka meron kang kino-cross out mo isa-isa.
Kasi that's what I need to focus on that.
Kasi kapag hindi mo kin-cross out na gano'n,
Mawawala ako.
hindi mo alam kung nasaan ka na.
I will get lost. So I need to
Ilang paragraph lang yun eh.
I don't know why. Tapos madadapa ako. Like, I'll know parang, okay, ito pala. Pero, nagkamali na ako. Hindi na ako makafocus. Kasi, I already made a mistake. May anxiety na ako. Tuloy-tuloy na yung bulol. Oh, it's bad. So,
Why?
I've set up all of these parang safety nets for me.
Oo.
Para kung naka-blinders na, yung horses, diba yung ganyan. Like that.
Oo. So,
I need that to function.
So, paano kapag biglang may unexpected na nangyari?
I trained myself to really just like, that's why I have earplugs.
Nag-post ka ng video doon sa GMA Gala, tapos nagkaroon ng technical problem.
You may now take your seats.
Nag-technical problem. Tapos sabi ko, ang cool naman ni Inka.
Yeah.
Parang dead ma lang siya.
Mhm.
May earplugs ka.
I can hear it pa rin around me, but
Stress na lahat ng tao eh. Yung director sumisigaw na nun eh.
yeah,
Ikaw nakaganon ka lang.
because I was like, I cannot make a mistake. Kasi the moment I
ganon
look
ka.
away, the moment I look away, that's it. Actually, there was one part there na I almost slipped.
Oo.
It's because I looked up.
Ayan, nakala ninyo perfect si Miss Inka. Magaling na siya magtago.
Yes, you build systems around it para matakpan lahat ng mga butas. To run a tight ship.
Thank you, Lord, for the weight that I gained this holiday season, because that means that you blessed me enough to make it happen.
Ano yung mga tips mo sa mga pamilya, kaibigan na nagde-deal with people with mental health conditions? Ano yung mga kailangan nilang gawin at tandaan? Telltale signs?
I will base it on my experience.
Yes.
You know your family member eh. Kung
Yes.
kilala mo talaga sila,
Oo.
you know when they're acting weird.
Correct.
So, take note of that. If it happens just one time, baka off day lang.
Correct.
Pero kung may pattern,
Mm-mm.
that's something that you need to watch out for.
Correct.
Be observant to the patterns of your family member or your loved one to see kung may nag-iba ba,
Yes.
or kung may nagte-trigger
Yes,
or
correct.
something. Number 2, patience. Your family should be, or your household should be your first line of support.
Yeah.
Kasi kung sa sarili mong bahay, hindi ka safe.
At hinuhusgahan
At
ka.
hinuhusgahan ka, mas lalong lalala yung mental health mo.
Yes.
And I know a lot of people live like that eh. Yung families nila, they are their first bullies. Hindi nakakatulong yun.
Yeah.
Actually, it makes it way worse. Apart from patience, understanding din. Understanding na iba ang mundo sa taong may mental health disorder eh.
Correct.
I don't know if maniniwala yung viewers natin. Parang, talaga, nag-iba ba talaga? Nag-iiba talaga siya. It looks like,
A
parang,
filter.
yeah, it feels like I'm wearing a veil.
Sorry, sobrang luma po nito, pero yung filter na Mayfair sa
Yeah,
sa Instagram. May filter na, di ba, lumang Instagram, merong filter na Mayfair na parang yung pula.
Yes, very vibrant, very warm, very bright, na parang, oh my God, it's so nice here talaga. So parang iba talaga yung mundo.
Yeah.
Patience,
Patience.
understanding, be observant,
Yeah.
and then
Seek help.
seek help and be there to support.
Yeah.
That's basically all we can ask for. And then look for a professional.
Kung may message ka sa mga taong may pinagdadaanan ngayon, depression or any kind of mental health condition,
You are never alone.
Yeah.
Because you have people like us.
Yeah.
We're here and we understand you. And whatever you're going through right now is not what will keep you chained down. But it does not define you.
and it should never limit you.
No. Never.
Kasi pwede ka pa rin magtrabaho,
Yes.
pwede ka pa rin mag-function.
Yes.
Kailangan mo lang i-accept kung ano yung binigay sa'yo.
Yes. It is much harder.
Mm-mm.
But again, also, you're never alone. And you have so many people who understand you and who know what it's like when things get so hard.
Ako naniniwala ako na when you understand how God created you, kung paano niya binuo yung utak mo,
Yes.
at inaccept mo na ganito yung gusto ni God eh.
Yeah. Yeah. It's how you were made. Eh.
This is how I was made.
Yeah.
I will live with it. I will deal with it. Tingin ko, mas maganda nga yung buhay eh.
Yeah.
And I thank the Lord for
Yeah.
making my brain this way. Kasi mas nakikita ko yung ganda ng mundo. Nakikita ko, yes, yung gloomy part ng mundo. Pero
Yeah.
alam ko, nakikita ko rin yung makulay na bahagi ng mundo.
It's both ends eh. And you work with what you have.
Thank you. Thank you, Inka.
Thank you.
for inspiring a lot of people. Everybody thinks parang, cool girl, ganyan. Pero may pinagdadaanan. May pinagdadaanan, pero kayang labanan.
Yes, always.
Thank you. Thank you very much
Thank
for
you, Miss
sharing
Cara.
your story
Thank
with
you
us.
also.
Thank you. Alam niyo mga kapuso, ang lahat ng bagay, lahat ng solusyon ay nagsisimula sa pakikinig, sa bukas na puso at bukas na isip. Minsan yun lang ang kailangan namin. Kailangan nating lahat. Taong makikinig sa kanila. Salamat po sa inyong pakikinig. Huwag pong maghusga, buksan ng puso, buksan ng isipan. Ako po si Cara David at ito po ang I Listen. Thank you! Salamat! Thank you very much!